Good evening, and a very warm welcome to all our esteemed viewers. You're watching NewGreenWaveNews TV, where the future unfolds before your very eyes. In what can only be described as a triumph of human ingenuity, a team of Spanish engineers has unveiled what may well be the most captivating technological innovation of our time. The world's first interactive three-dimensional holographic display, capable of being physically touched and manipulated. No headsets, no augmented reality goggles, just pure naked eye interaction. A vision once confined to the dazzling special effects of science fiction, particularly the unforgettable scene from Iron Man 2, where Tony Stark seamlessly flicks and molds, glowing 3D blueprints in midair, now takes its first bold step into tangible reality. Developed by Dr. Elodie Bouzbib and her pioneering research team at the Public University of Navarra, this mesmerizing feat of science relies on an elegantly simple but highly effective solution: elastic diffuser strips. Traditionally, holographic projections involve a rigid diffuser oscillating thousands of times per second, creating the illusion of depth, but attempting to physically interact with these images has until now been impossible or outright dangerous. Dr. Bouzbib's FlexiVol system replaces that rigid structure with strips made of carefully selected elastic material, chosen not only for their flexibility and shape memory, but also for their ability to preserve optical fidelity. After exploring an extensive range of candidates, including projector screen fabrics and silicone, the team settled on what they cryptically call elastic bands, refined to deliver a balance of tactile resistance and visual clarity. The result? A truly interactive experience. Users can now select, trace, rotate, and even dock holographic objects using familiar gestures akin to those used on a smartphone: swipe, pinch, touch to select. In rigorous user testing involving 18 participants, FlexiVol outperformed the standard 3D mouse in both speed and accuracy, particularly in object docking, requiring the placement of one holographic item into another. The natural, intuitive feel of reaching through the air and grasping the object proved overwhelmingly superior. An impressive 94% of users reported greater confidence in their performance, with 67% affirming improved accuracy. It felt more real, more instinctive, and far more engaging than any traditional 3D interface. Looking ahead, Dr. Bouzbib has hinted at enhancing the system further through haptic feedback using focused ultrasound or conductive fibers, raising the prospect of feeling textures in the air. But even in its current form, FlexiVol heralds a transformative era in how we visualize, manipulate, and ultimately experience digital content. And so, we stand at the dawn of a new dimension, where light dances at our fingertips and the virtual world answers to our touch. Thank you ever so much for your company this evening. If this glimpse into tomorrow inspired your imagination, we invite you to follow, like, and subscribe to NewGreenWaveNews TV, where the stories shaping our world come to life today. Until next time, stay enlightened, stay bold, and good night.